The sneaker resale market has exploded lately and is now a $2 billion industry. In my sneaker resale series, I take you through my journey to turn my hobby into a full-fledged business. This is Resell Life. Alright everyone, today is the day. Today is October 31st. Happy Halloween. But most importantly, Jordan 1 Mochas. It's what we're here for. It's what we're all about. The shoe that we've looked forward to for months now. And it all goes down in about 5 minutes. Wish me luck. I wish everyone else luck. Please, let's get some pairs today.
MTCB.
Getting a lot of air adding to cart. Waiting for restock. And I know that they're not loading all stock in today either. Apparently they're gonna stagger the stock out and they're gonna do some restocks during next week. This release has been rough, guys. Well, we checked out. Yes. All right, we checked out on Cyber. Nice. Sorry, I know I kind of went crazy there, but I got excited. We just hit another one. Hit one on Foot Locker, or Kids Foot Locker. Foot Locker, yep, size 6. Let's go. We got it. PD. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Did we hit another one with PD? We hit another one with PD. Let's go. I want to give a quick shout out to all the proxy providers of SoulState. These are some of the best proxy companies in the sneaker community, and they're always at the top of the success logs on every single drop. Be sure to check down in the description for all the specific codes and percentages that you could get off on these proxies. Once again, thanks to all the sponsors. Now, back to the video. Alright, so let's talk about that Jordan 1 Mocha release that happened today. Now, as you guys already know, I did have 2 confirmed pairs to pick up from Finish Line, and I got a size 10.5 and a size, don't remember what the other size was, but I got 2 pairs from Finish Line, thanks to XYZ Raffles, so shout out to them for helping me get those 2 in-store pairs. So the drop was an absolute mess. You know, this week Footsight switched to Datadome, most of them did anyways. And it was supposed to prevent botters from being able to get any pairs. But Datadome was an absolute nightmare for everyone. Not just botters, not just manual users. For the site itself, it was just a disaster. So, we did hit 4 pairs early on, before they even made the switch from Datadome. So, I actually performed pretty well on Datadome. We got 4 pairs within the first 15 minutes or so. Really, really cool. Then the drop went on hold for a little bit while they switched back to Akamai, the old system. They put it back up. Everyone was able to feast a little bit more on this drop, except for me. For whatever reason, I was able to hit on Datadome, but not when they switched back to Akamai, so I don't really know what happened. End of the day, we got 6 pairs of these Jordan 1 Mochas in total. I'm probably going to keep probably this pair for myself. This is size 10.5, so I'll probably keep it for myself. Unless someone out there has a 9.5 or a 10 that they want to trade, if you do, get with me on one of my socials and we can make that trade work. This shoe is just beautiful in hand. Get a closer look at it right there. Just a really nice shoe. The colors work really well together. I could see why everyone was so hyped up about this sneaker right here. But I'm going to keep probably 4 pairs long term. I'm keeping all of my GS pairs because margins on them are just going to be fantastic. So the Jordan 1 Mocha release was a pretty successful release, to say the least. What's up, everybody? We're back here going for Supreme today. This is another Supreme week where, you know, we're kind of at the point where if we don't get any items, we're not too upset about it. This isn't the best week for resale. There's some items that we can go for resale, but very few. So that being said, we're going to be running SwiftSole on my phone. I've been seeing some good things from SwiftSole, and you know, they gifted me a copy a while back ago, so you know, I want to shout them out for that. We'll see if we're able to hit. You know, if not the biggest deal. So it is what it is. Checked out on SwiftSole. Guys, today is November 5th. We did have the Supreme release earlier this morning. Really, that's the only release that I will be going for this entire week. To be honest, it's a pretty dead week as far as resale aspects go this week. You know, with us having the MOCHA release on Saturday, not complaining too much. Hopefully we'll get some more restocks throughout the week. On the Supreme release today, we did hit a couple items. I accidentally hit a Supreme iPhone 11 Max case in the snow camo. That was the only one to sell out, so I guess I'm glad that I hit that one. But I didn't mean to. I hit that one on Cyber. And then I also hit one of the Nike running hats on SwiftSole. Today is my first time really running SwiftSole. It's an iOS bot, and you know, I ran it off my phone today, and I was pretty impressed with it. So maybe I need to prioritize SwiftSole more in the future. I did attempt to run automatic today. We had a few errors on it, but we did see our first checkouts with the bot today. So very exciting news moving forward. And if you don't know what I'm talking about on automatic, stay tuned and I will update you guys later in the video. But we did get 2 checkouts today, so not too bad. We also have 2 packages, so let's go ahead and unbox those. We did see a slight restock today on these Jordan 1 Mochas on foot action. Unfortunately, we weren't able to hit, but hopefully that's a sign to come of other foot sites restocking soon. 2 more pairs of Jordan 1 Mochas. One in a size 11, one in a size 6. We now have 3 pairs of the Jordan 1 Mochas in. Right now, size 10.5, 11, and then the 6. I believe we're waiting on 2 other pairs. We had a size 11, but I already got rid of that one. So the rest of the pairs that we get in, we'll probably be keeping. So pretty soon we'll have the shelf back there filled up with Mochas. Let's go ahead and put these 3 up. Alright, there we go. We have 3 pairs. We have 3 pairs right now of the Jordan 1 Mochas up there on the wall behind me. And even on our other shelves over here, we have so many pairs. We have so many pairs of Jordan 1s in here right now. And you guys have no idea how happy that makes me that we have so many Jordan 1s in here. So I look forward to getting the rest of the pairs in, hopefully in the next couple days. So, you know, we can post up that flex pic with all of our Jordan 1 Mochas that we've gotten so far. So we will probably check in. I'm not really sure when we'll check in again. Probably on an unboxing because we have no releases coming up in the next few days. So we will see then. I mentioned to you guys that I switched to a new server. The server I'm using now is provided by Personals Only. And I'm going to link their site down there in the description. You guys can use my code to get a percentage off on servers. Server is super fast, no issues with it. So if you guys are looking for a server that is great for running multiple bots, I highly suggest you check out Personals Only and use my code. As you guys know, when I secure sponsorships, it's not just for me. I really want to secure sponsorships that help you guys out, make a benefit you guys for supporting me. So I got a good one for you guys this week. This week I was able to secure a sponsorship with the Bot Spot. The Bot Spot is a cook group that really helps with renting bots. That's what they are. They're a bot rental server. So if you guys use my code SOLSTATE10, link down below as well to their Discord server, you guys will enjoy 10% off on any bot rental. That's going to do it for us this week, guys. Thanks for tuning in to another week of Live Cops here on the channel. If you guys are enjoying the content, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below, too, of what you thought of the video. Let me know your overall thoughts on how the channel is going right now. I really appreciate it. And if you don't mind, hit the bell to turn on notifications so you guys can be notified anytime that we post a video and you can get that elusive first comment. Looking forward to next week. It's going to be a busy week. We do have a non-sneaker related drop that I will be going for. The PS5s and the Xbox Ones are dropping next week. So we will definitely be hitting up some of the big box retailers trying to get some of those. Probably using bots like Eve next week. I'll really prioritize that. I do want to mention that the Supreme giveaway is going to end at the end of this week. So next video, I will be announcing the winner of the Supreme giveaway. If you guys haven't entered already, check the card up there at the top. Go to that video. That's how you enter. Please do enter into that giveaway. We got a lot of cool stuff that we're going to be giving away to you guys. Just to say thank you for your support of this channel so far. I also wanted to say we had some very exciting news this past week. Christy and I did finally get engaged. So thank you so much for all the support that I've been getting in the Discord group. For those of you who know, I appreciate all the kind words. I'm very excited for our future together. And my friend Jesus said it best, you know, out of all the W's we could catch here in the sneaker world, I definitely got the biggest W this past Tuesday when she said yes. So glad that we could make that happen, and so glad that I could share this good news with you guys here on the channel. We will see you guys next week. I wish you all the best luck on these upcoming releases. I hope that you guys cook out, and if you are in need of a cook group, join the winning team. Join the Soul State Discord, where you will find all of the best resale information. So I wish you guys the best luck, and we will see you on the next one.